The biggest magic of the world is believing in yourself. The biggest magic of the world is believing in yourself. Heartily welcomes back you friends. I was Rashid Khan before with spoken classes. In spoken classes, object speaking practice is going on, and we have successfully completed 6 objects. Today I'm just going to take object number 7 in part 7. Our today's topic is my country. Our today's object is my country, and of course it's lovely India. So today in object speaking, we are going to learn a matter that is increased to 8 to 9 minutes. If I talk about India, then one day is incomplete for speaking about India. अगर अपन इंडिया की बात करें, इंडिया के बारे में बोलना चाहे तो अपने लिए 7 या 8 मिनट्स इनफ नहीं है. अपने लिए एक पूरा दिन भी अपन को कम पड़ेगा बोलने के लिए. इतना बहुत कुछ अपन बोल सकते हैं, लेकिन अपन को इतना नहीं बोलना है. अपन ऑब्जेक्ट स्पीकिंग में सिर्फ इसलिए इंडिया को चूज कर रहे हैं ताकि अपन 9 to 10 मिनट्स बोल सके, क्योंकि अपन इंडिया से बहुत ज्यादा सिमिलर है. बहुत सी चीजों के बारे में अपन जानते हैं, इसलिए बोलना अपने लिए क्या रहेगा, इजी रहेगा. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट अबाउट इंडिया. सबसे पहले, and through this video you will able to learn some important things about India जो आप पहले इंडिया के बारे में जो आप पहले से नहीं जानते हो. सो इंडिया के बारे में अपन स्टार्ट करते हैं. ये जो मैटर है मैं आपको 8 या 7 मिनट का दे रहा हूं. इसके अलावा अगर आप ज्यादा बोलना चाहते हो तो कुछ पॉइंट्स अपनी तरफ से भी इसमें ऐड कर सकते हो. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट पॉइंट आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू टेक, दैट इज the official name of India. Name of India is Republic of India. Friends, if we ask about India and out of India, then our country's name is, as according to the Constitution of India, it's Republic of India. इंडिया का ऑफिशियल नेम जब अपन वर्ल्ड मैप पे देखेंगे, दूसरे कंट्रीज के साथ शेयर करेंगे, तो इंडिया का नाम अपन को ऑफिशियल क्या मिलेगा, रिपब्लिक ऑफ इंडिया. इंडिया is the world's 7th largest country. 7th largest country in terms of area. In terms of area, now we will use it for India, not again India and India. It is the second, it is the world's second largest country, second largest country in terms of population. Yes, as you all know, India's population is growing very high. That is an obstacle in the progress of India. And of course, without any doubt, India will come on first rank in coming census, because India's population is growing very rapidly. So as an aware citizen of India, it's our prime duty to stop this growing population. Next thing about India, it has 28 states and 9 union territories. If I talk about India's location, then it is located in Asia continent. यस, कौन से कंटिनेंट में, एशिया. और एशिया के भी किस पार्ट में, साउथर्न पार्ट में. its capital is Delhi. Its capital is Delhi. Its national language is Hindi. India's national anthem is Jana Gana Man. India's national song is Vande Mataram. If I talk other symbols, if I talk about India's other national symbols, then on point number 10, India's national emblem is Sarnath Lion Capital. If I talk about India's national bird, the national bird is peacock. If I talk about national animal, then it's tiger. If I talk about national currency, then rupee is the national currency of India. National currency is rupee. If I talk about national slogan, then it goes to Satyameva Jayate. Yes, friends, 14th sentence I have successfully completed, and this matter is 9 to 10 minutes. If you want to speak more than 9 to 10 minutes, then you will add some basic points which you are know very well about India, so that your speaking matter, your object speaking matter will increase to 12 or 13 minutes. Thank you very much for being with me, and thank you very much for listening me carefully. Thank you very much, and take care.